Good morning, dear students. Let us have a discussion on a few medicinal plants in Ayurveda. The first one is on the screen. You can identify this drug as Patha, P-A-T-H-A. Patha, Shashampalus pareira, is an Ayurvedic herb used mainly in the treatment of fever, intestinal worms, non-healing wounds, etc. Another herb, Cyclia peltata, is also used in the name of Patha. The botanical name of Patha is Sesampalus pareira, belongs to family Menispermaceae. Regarding habit of Patha, it is a climbing shrub. Branches striate pubescent. Leaves are pelted 4 to 6 cm in diameter, corded or truncate at the base. Petioles are long, 4 to 10 cm long. Pubescent inserted 3 to 6 mm within the basal margin. Flowers, male flowers are pedicel and seen in axillary cymes. Fruit is drupe, subglobose, compressed, red on ripening. Endocarp is slightly ridged. Parts of Patha are root and stem. Indications of Patha include Kushta Kandunut. It relieves skin diseases with itching as a symptom. Chardijit relieves vomiting. Hridroga relieves heart diseases. Jwara relieves fever. Tridosha Samani balances Tridosha, especially Vata and Kapha. Atisara relieves diarrhea. Shulagni relieves abdominal colic pain. Kapha Pitta Jwara relieves fever due to imbalance of Kapha and Pitta, which involves heaviness and burning sensation like symptoms. Krimi relieves intestinal worms. Gulma relieves abdominal mass or bloating. Garavisa relieves chronic toxicity, and in Vrana brings about wound healing. Now here on the screen another important plant called Patala Garuri, P-A-T-A-L-A-G-A-R-U-D-I. Patala Garuri, Cocculus hirsutus, is an Ayurvedic herb used in treating intestinal worm infestations, sunstroke, migraine, anorexia, etc. It also possesses antimicrobial potential. Its botanical name is Cocculus hirsutus and it belongs to family Menispermaceae. Now regarding habit of Patala Garuri, it is a straggling scandent herb. Branches are striate. Young parts are densely and softly villous. Leaves are 4 to 6 cm long, 1 to 4 cm wide, 3 to 5 nerved, ovate, oblong, subcorded or truncate at the base. Petiole is very small, 3 mm long, densely villous. Male flowers seen in small axillary cymos, panicles, small petals. Female flowers seen in axillary clusters, 2 to 3 together. Petals are thick and fleshy, divided at the apex into triangular lobes with swollen bases. Parts of Patala Garuri are root and leaf. Patala Garuri is indicated in Daha, burning sensation as in gastritis, neuropathy, burning sensation in eyes, etc. Asra dosha, blood impurity, blood fixation disorders such as skin diseases, bleeding disorders, etc. Visha dosa, poisoning or toxic conditions. It is a good diuretic and soothes the urinary tract. In poisonous bites, it is applied externally to relieve burning sensation and toxicity. Now, here it is another important plant, that is Plaksa. What Udumbara, Aswatha, Parisan, Plaksa. Plaksa is one among the Panchabalkalas. Plaksa is a medium to large tree found in the temperate climate of India. The bark of the tree is pale brown colored. The leaves are 4 to 5 inches long, renal shaped to oval with 6 to 10 veins in them. The fruits of the plant are round, small or pale red to whitish colored. The fruits and flowers are seen in the month of April to June. Part used of the drug are bark, and it is indicated in Daha. Burning sensation as in gastritis, neuropathy, burning sensation in eyes, ulcer, blood disorders such as abscesses, skin disorders, bleeding disorders such as menorrhagia and nasal bleeding, MEDA, fat or obesity conditions, SOFA, inflammation, murcha, fainting or loss of consciousness, srama, tiredness, fatigue, etc., pralapa, it is irrelevant talk, durana, ulcers and wounds, yonigada, vaginal infection, excessive bleeding, uterine disorders, etc. Regarding the botanical name of Plaxa, it is Ficus lager and it belongs to family Moraceae. Now on the screen, a very familiar drug which is a pride to Ayurveda is Peelu, Peelu or Meswak. Peelu, Salvadera persica, more popularly known as Meswak, is an Ayurvedic herb for cleaning the teeth, treating cases of rheumatoid arthritis, snakebite, piles, common cold, fever, and for the use of purgation. The Latin name is Salvadora persica, belongs to family Salvadoraceae. Now regarding habit of Peelu is a bushy shrub or small tree growing to a height of 8 to 10 feet. The stems are weak, twisted. Its bark is scabrous and cracked, whitish with pendulous extremities. The root bark of the tree is similar to sand, and the inner surfaces are even lighter shade of brown. It has a pleasant fragrance of cress or mustard, as well as a warm and pungent taste. The flowers of the plant are pale green and blooms in the month of spring. The fruit is red when ripe, has a diameter of 0.5 inch, round, sweet, and gives a strong, pleasant smell when crushed. It is seen in the summer season. The root is used in many parts of the world as a toothbrush. The plant is found all over India in the dry areas. The tree is a native to Persia. The part used of the drug Meswak or Peelu is fruit, seed, leaf, and root bark. Meswak is indicated in gulma, tumors of the abdomen, ursa, hemorrhoids, and vedi. Vedi means piercing pain. Now, on the screen, you can see another drug called Patranga. 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 Sappanwood. Caesalpinia sappan is a styptic useful in diarrhea, wound healing. It is also called Kuchandana, as it is similar to sandalwood in qualities and uses. The red dye, which is Brazilian, extracted from its hardwood, is useful to color fabric and also for preparing red ink. Its botanical name is Caesalpinia sappan, belongs to family Caesalpiniaceae. Regarding habit of the drug, it is a tree that grows up to 30 feet in height. Stem is prickly, 15 to 25 cm in diameter. Branches armed with small prickles. Leaves compound, 20 to 40 cm long. Pinnae are 8 to 12 pairs, 10 to 15 cm long. Small prickles are seen at the base. Leaflets are 10 to 18 pairs, 1 to 2 cm long and 1 cm wide, subsessile, glabrous above and pubescent or puberulous minute. Inflorescence is panicle, terminal, and also seen in the axils of the upper leaves 30 to 40 centimeter long. Flowers are yellow in color. Fruits are pods, 7.5 to 10 centimeter long, 4 to 5 centimeter wide, woody, obliquely oblong, subcompressed, in dehiscent with a hard recurved short beak at the upper angle, will have 3 to 4 seeds. Now partuses are heartwood or Sara. Patranga is indicated in Vrana, ulcers or wounds. Daha, burning sensation as in gastritis, neuropathic, burning sensation in eyes, etc. Asra, blood disorders such as abscesses, skin disorders, bleeding disorders such as menorrhagia and nasal bleeding, etc. It is useful in white disorders, which is also called leukorrhea, heavy periods and shortened periods. Now on the screen, a very good drug for fever, it is Patola, Patola. Pointed gourd is a very ancient Ayurveda medicinal herb and vegetable. It is used since the times of Charak and Sushruta, since 2000 years. It is very beneficial to improve gastric health. Its root, leaf and fruit are used in many Ayurvedic medicines. Its botanical name is Trichosanthus diorica. Trichosanthus cucumerina is also used in the name of Patola. It belongs to family Cucurbitaceae. Now regarding habit of the drug, it is a climber, spreads extensively. Branches are slender, more or less scabrous and woolly. Tendrils are 2 to 4 feet. Leaves are 7.5 cm long and 5 cm wide, ovate, oblong, cordate, acute tip, sinuate, denode, not lobed, rigid, rough on both the surfaces. Petiole is 2 cm long. Now partuses of Patola includes leaves, fruit and root. Now it is indicated in Kandu, itching sensation, Kushtha, skin diseases, Jwara, fever, Daha, burning sensation, Kasha, cough and cold, Asra, purifies. Thank you so much.